When comparing fractions, there's three scenarios. Either our numerators or the denominators are the same, or nothing is the same. In this first problem, 3/17 and 4/17, it's simple to see that 4/17 is greater because there are more 17ths. If my numerator is the same, I can think of them as pieces of a pie. This pie is broken into 8 pieces. This pie is broken into 9. If you're sharing with 8 people, your pieces are larger. So you've got 3 of the larger pieces versus 3 of the smaller pieces. 3/8 is greater. The smaller denominator indicates a larger piece. If I don't have a common denominator and I want to compare, for example, 3/8 to 4/11, and I wanted to see how those compare, I can draw pictures, but they're both as similar enough that drawing a picture might not help. So I want to find a common denominator. So I think of a number that 8 and 11 both go into. The smallest number they both go into, or their LCM, is 88. I can make equivalent fractions using my denominator of 88. This here is times 11, so I would multiply this times 11 and get 33. Here I'd multiply by 8, so I'm going to multiply by 8 in the top and I'd get 32. 33/88 is greater than 32/88, so this fraction is greater. We can use something called cross products to do something similar. It's basically a shortcut for what we just did. 8 times 4 is 32, so if I had 3/8 and 4/11 again, 8 times 4 is 32, and 11 times 3 is 33. These are my numerators in the fractions over 88, but I don't need the 88 to see that 32 whatevers are greater, 33 are greater than 32 of whatever my denominator is. So using what's called cross products, I can use that as a shortcut to finding the common denominator.